Alright guys, so this queen in here is looking good. I got 2 good sheets of brood. So I want to, the entrance is right here. I want to put her in the back. Alright. I'll squeeze it in there. Alright, so you got brood on both sides, on both frames. I want to add this frame. It's not a very good frame. I mean, just see the quality of it right here. It was stuck to the bottom of the frame below it in the other hive, the one that was queenless. So there's a lot of honey in that hive. Bees, you know, when they go queenless, they'll make a lot of honey because there's nothing else for them to do. So I'm using that as this one as just a resource for these bees to light them over until I feed them. All right. Plenty of place to lay there. And plenty of places to lay here. So that's 5 frames. It's not a very good frame. It's 1976. This or 96. Alright. Where is... Oh, my lids are over there. Alright. Vented here. Turn the hole where you can tell it's vented. Make sure it clicks. I'm going to take these boxes down and just for now. So I made, how many did I make today? Made 1, 2, and I've added